Select the ellipse, draw, choose whatever color you need, then go to effects, use hooker and blot. To increase the blot, you can see some design over there. In the same way, you can use whatever shapes you need. Here I am using 6-sided shape and applying same effect. So now it looks like a leaf petal. So whatever changes you need, you can do using hooker and blot. So once it is done, change the color. Now I am taking copy of the same leaf petal or a flower petal, rescaling, place exactly at the center, and I am changing the color. Now you can see two different shades and little bit do rotations. Now it's look like a flower.